In today's video, I am going to show you how to create account on Canva and how to log out from an existing account. So if you have application, you can do all this step on this application. Otherwise, go to Google Chrome and in search menu, type Canva. After this, open first link because you have to log out from an existing account. Click on three lines and now click on drop down menu for creating another account. Now click on add another account because we are creating new account. Here you will see all the option. You can use shortcuts by continue with Google, but I am selecting continue with Google option. You can create account with Facebook, so select continue with Google. Here all your Gmails will be appear, so select Gmail you want to create an account. Now click on continue, and here I will selecting personal option because I am creating Canva account for my personal use. If you want to create, then you can use for business also. Now select maybe later option. That's it, your Canva account has been created. Hope so you like this method. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.